In my previous video on how you can make money on Twitter and how Twitter paid me a lot of money and a lot of things, if you want to see that video, the video is going to be in the description. I talked about how you can get money on Twitter and how you can make money on Twitter. This video, we're talking about how you can get your account verified on Twitter. It's a very easy process, right? And all you have to do is, if you're in some places like Nigeria or Africa where there is limited access, or where if you want to get a domiciliary account, it's always very, very difficult. This is how you can do it. Get yourself on this above app: Cheaper Cash, Great Dollar, or Great Finance, or all these Kalasha apps. These are like 3 apps that I'm sure, right? These are 3 apps that I'm sure that you can use to buy your dollar, your blue tick on Twitter. And this is a format I'm going to give you for free. If you want to buy your blue tick on Twitter, go to the web version. Go to www.twitter.com and go to subscribe and pay through the web. If you're paying through your iPhone, it's going to be a bit stressful going through the app, because it might end up spoiling your Apple Store and Apple iCloud and iTunes and everything. So I advise you to go get your Cheaper Cash, your Great Finance, or your Clasher app. When you get any of these 3, I'll put their icons on the screen so you don't misplace any of them. When you get them, you fund your dollar. I feel like to fund is like $1 or so, and maintenance is like another $1. Then you now fund around $12 to $13 with the current dollar exchange rates, around $12 to $13, so you can buy your Twitter blue tick. When you fund it on the app, then you now go to your www.twitter.com, click on the subscribe, then link your card, then you can pay. Another thing I would advise is always keep money in that card so you can auto renew on its own, right? So when you want to just do, once the time reach, Twitter is always debiting you like 2 days prior to the day of expiring. They just go there and debit the money for themselves. Do you understand? So that's like an easy process to buy your Twitter blue tick. If it doesn't work for you, because I feel like many people have complained to me in the past that it didn't work for them, they tried buying and didn't go through. I don't know why. But if you didn't go through, I would advise you as a Nigerian. If you're in Nigeria watching this video, go to your normal bank, your UBA, your GTB, your all the banks, and get your domiciliary dollar account. It might be hard, but it's the best. It is the best. It's like your local ATM card. You can just put in the PIN and everything, and you just unlock. If you're in places like Ghana, because my viewers are also from Ghana, I'm really happy. You're also from countries like places like Ghana. I feel like you also used to get your dollar accounts open in Ghana. I don't know how it functions that end, but yes, I feel like you should just get your Cheaper Cash, your Great Finance, or your Kalasha app. Fund it with like $2 to $3 for maintenance and card process and card funding. Then you now fund your card with at least $11 to $12. That should be roughly around 18k naira and probably 15 CDs, or I don't know how much is in CDs, right? So once you do that, you link it through the web version. Don't go to the app, to the web version, and yes, you are good to go. Do you get? So that's it basically, and I will see you guys on my next video. Do well to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for me. And if you want to see more videos about this, or more videos for me to break it down in details, and yes, I'll do just that, and I'll see you on my next video. Do well to check the link in the description so you can watch all of my previous videos that you probably missed. If this is your first video you're seeing, first time you're seeing me on your explore on YouTube, do well to check the description box and see other of my past videos that you might be interested on, or you can check my playlist. Yes, my playlist has a bunch of things inside there for you to watch. So guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Do well to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification on so as you can see me when I post.